Today we want to make a gun. Take 24 pieces, snake cube. Start. Rotate one number one piece like this. Now rotate this hole like this. Now one, two, three. Rotate hole, holding like this. And now rotate this whole piece. I am holding here like this. Now we want to make same structure like one, two, three, four here. Rotate this hole like this. Now rotate this hole by holding here like this. Now rotate by holding here like this. Now rotate this hole here. Same structure we have made. Now rotate this piece. One, two, like this. Now rotate this one, two, three by holding here like this. By holding here, rotate this whole body from here like this. Now upside down. Now one, two, hold here, rotate like this. Rotate like this, sorry. Opposite side. Now rotate this hole by holding here like this. Now rotate this whole structure by holding here, that hole like this. We now one, two, rotate like this. One, two. Now rotate this here by holding here. One, two. I'm holding here. Rotate one, two. Now hold here. Rotate. Now hold here. Rotate. We get again. Now rotate this by holding here. Hold the gun like this here and rotate this hole. One and two.